Nunu.
65% of voters saying
શું કરે છે તું?
this ballot question, 35% answering with a no. Now the small amount of marijuana will not face criminal
દાન બતાવ જરા.
pay a fine of $100.
Marijuana remains illegal under question 2. But what we're doing is ending the creation of a CORI, which is a lifelong record and lifelong barriers to jobs, to housing, to loans for school.
And finally, question 3.
Buka to. Buka.
A call to ban greyhound racing in the Bay State.
Buka.
That dogs should no longer run here.
એવું કર.
34%
કર.
disagreed. That measure will force the 2 dog tracks here in Massachusetts to shut
Kar
their
ne.
doors by January of 2010.
Buka.
It's estimated that about 1,000 people will lose their jobs.
Kar.
Kyra, NHCN.
કરને આરુષ.
Voters will approve a proposed casino in the western part of the state is too
બુબુડ બુબુડ કર.
small, but it
બુબુડ
appears to
બુબુડ
be
બુબુડ કર.
headed toward a defeat. In Connecticut, voters
Mom,
decided against holding
હમણાં તો ખાધું મમ્મમ.
the state's constitution.
કેટલું મમ્મમ ખાય છે? મમ્મા કે હવે?
Gay marriage, who were hoping to overturn
Mama.
the Supreme Court ruling.
મમ્મી ક્યાં ગઈ? આરુષ. શું જોવે છે તું? ન્યૂઝ જોવે છે તને? ન્યૂઝ જોવે છે તું? તો બાંધી દીધો છે તને મેં. ઓકે.